Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change subtitles to Russian in Half-Life 2. So it's going to be really basic. All you have to do is just go to the library and then in here find Half-Life 2, right click, go to the properties, and then in the launch options, you need to write this code. So I will be putting this code to the description, so you can find it in description. So after that, just click on the close and then play the game. Say new game, and then let's go to this one, start new game.
Funny, you showing up on
here we
this
go.
day in
So
particular.
right now we have Russian subtitles. So this is how to change subtitles to Russian in Half-Life 2. See you guys in the next tutorial.